Hi everyone, my name is Namdar, an architect, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to create levels and walls in Revit. So hit the subscribe, like this video, and let's into Revit. Let's open the Revit interface. The very first thing we do, as I mentioned you in the previous video, is to change the units. Just press UN on your keyboard, switch to methods, set the decimal to 2 places, and hit OK. Now to start drawing levels, go to an elevation view, north. Revit already shows 2 default levels here. You can easily change their height by click the numbers. But what if a project has more floors? Use the copy tool to create additional levels. Just make sure the constraint box is checked. That way your levels stay perfectly straight without any errors. Here's something important is when you copy the levels like this, Revit doesn't automatically recognize them in the floor plans. They're not visible yet. So what do? Go to the View tab, click on Plans Views. Now select the new levels and Revit will generate views for each one. And that's it, you created your levels in the right way. Let's start another part of this video. I want to talk about walls. If you want to learn detailed construction ready walls, I've made a full tutorial. The link is right there. It covers everything about wall design in Revit, from concept to detailed walls. But for now, let's look at the basics, quick and clear. I select the wall tools, then architectural walls, click to start drawing. So you will notice by default, Revit draws the wall from the certain line, but we can change that. Go to the location line and choose finish face exterior. Now it draws from the outside edge. And the next, wall height. Right now it's set to unconnected, so I can type any number I want. But if I want the wall to go up to a specific level, I just go to the top constraint and select the level I need. You can also draw different shapes, straight walls, rectangle, curved walls, and even custom forms. Something is really important about Revit is when you create walls in a floor plans, it's automatically creates in a 3D view. So that's the reason why the Revit is fast and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More tips coming soon.